Now we're going to look at the distal bony landmarks of the humerus. First, you need to determine if this is a right or left humerus, and also if you're looking at the anterior or posterior view. So the easiest way for me to find out is by looking at the depression. There's a large depression here. There's also a depression in this area. The larger one is the posterior side. So we'll start with the anterior view. You look at the head of the humerus, it faces in that direction, so this would be a right humeral bone. If this is right, then this would be the medial side, and this is the lateral side. Down here would be the lateral epicondyle. Just above is a ridge, a bony ridge called the lateral supracondyle ridge. The lateral condyle is where extensor muscles attach, and the ridge is where brachioradialis attaches. Just below that is a rounded, smooth eminence called the capitulum. This articulates with the head of the radius. There's a little bit of a depression in the head of the radius, and the two of those bones articulate with each other. Just medial is a pulley or spool looking like landmark, and that's called the trochlea. The trochlea articulates with the ulna bone. Just above the trochlea is that little depression. The depression is called the coronoid fossa, and it will receive the coronoid process of the ulna. Medial side, you have the medial epicondyle, and just above that is the medial supracondyle ridge. On the back is this large depression here, and that is the olecranon fossa, which receives the olecranon process of the ulna bone. There is a spiral groove that you can't really see on this model, but the groove travels through the humerus, and it's where the radial nerve travels. Lateral supracondyle ridge, lateral epicondyle, capitulum, trochlea, coronoid fossa, medial epicondyle, medial supracondyle ridge, olecranon fossa. And that's it for the distal part of the humerus.